See that? Giant step! The Reggae Girlz took a giant step towards qualifying for back-to-back World Cup finals by beating Mexico in Mexico last night. Yes, and look, let's be honest, lots of people were upset about what that whole Vin Blaine saga was about, with the underlying sentiment being that they better qualify or else. Well, that Mexico result effectively, not mathematically, but effectively means that all the Reggae Girlz need to do is to beat Haiti and them Ghana World Cup. Regardless of what happens against the USA, if they beat Haiti and get 6 points, World Cup, we gone. Yes. And look, lots of focus being on the coaching issues surrounding this team. But really and truly, this Reggae Girlz team is a quality, experienced team, with the majority of the players having qualified for and played in the 2019 World Cup. So really and truly, it is absolutely our prerogative to qualify for the World Cup again, especially in an expanded format where CONCACAF gets 4.5 spots. So young ladies, just beat Haiti, and that would be another giant step. That would be 2 giant steps.